FlyEnv runs MongoDB locally, and DbGate manages the live server from the browser. The server is already running locally, so connecting takes just the default address and port. MongoDB 7.0.34 answers right away, with its databases listed. A new database and collections are created directly from DbGate. FlyEnv runs the server as a managed local service. Multiple MongoDB releases stay available, ready to install side by side. Installing 8.3.8 and switching the running version takes only moments. The service now runs MongoDB 8.3.8. DbGate confirms the switch. The connected server is now MongoDB 8.3.8. Local MongoDB managed visually on the version your project needs.